guys? Marty here, aka the Bear Bad News, and today I'm going on a surf trip with my boy Kyle. I'm just getting ready, got the GoPro bag, fucking ready. We're gonna film it all. Got my duffel, my rod, my bucket, tackle, and then my board in the back. You can't really see it, but pretty much, guys, we're gonna go to Satellite Beach in Florida, and that's gonna be right now. Crazy. Let's head out and go get Kyle, and we'll catch up with you guys later. But I will say today is gonna be the first day I've been surfing in years, not including indoor surfing. So it's gonna be rough, but there's supposed to be head high waves, so I'm excited, man. We're gonna fuck shit up, but catch you guys soon. Don't be scared. Scared. Oh, what's up, buddy? You're not gonna try to kill me, are you? Yo. All right. Proper introduction. What's up to the camera?
But I look ratchet.
Pays no mind to me.
Wow.
What's up? Yeah. And we just got to Satellite Beach. My boy Kyle. What's up, my guy? And I'm about to go change. So is Kyle, and we're about to get ready to go in the water. I did not stretch, man. Woo! This is pretty wild, bro.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be.
This is gonna be a guy out there. He's gonna be like, "You got $3.26." So
For what?
I don't know. Give this shit with water, bro.
Water, dude.
He said I could get a bottle, but why? I want ice water. My boy is getting it. Go ahead, bro. Getting it, bro.
Yeah, man, you know, gotta get this motherfucker situated. You hear me?
How'd that feel, bro?
Good.
If you're good.
Lost my glasses, but other than that, it's successful.
Damn, bro. I forgot we did. Alright, so after a successful day of surfing at Satellite Beach, shit was lit. But signing off with Kyle.
Very bad news is the day's over. We're going home. We had a successful day at the beach, but
Right on.
there's more coming. Till next time.
Till next
Stay
time.
tuned.
And what's the channel's name, bro?
Bear Bad News.
Bear Bad News.
Bear Bad News.
Woo.